In this video, I'll show you how to turn articles into audio using ElevenLabs. First, open ElevenLabs and Access Reader or another supported text-to-speech feature. Now find the article you want to listen to. Depending on the available workflow, you may be able to provide the article through a supported link, paste its text, or use another import option. Before generating the audio, review the article. Remove unnecessary text such as navigation elements, repeated headings, or other content that you don't want included. Next, choose an AI voice that sounds comfortable for long-form listening. A natural and clear voice can make articles easier to follow. Start the conversion or playback process. ElevenLabs will transform the article's written content into spoken audio. Listen to the result and check how
Relax into the
headings,
night.
names,
Let
numbers, and unusual words are pronounced. If you are preparing the audio as a finished project, you can organize or edit the content using the available ElevenLabs tools. Once the article sounds the way you want, use the available listening or export options. This workflow can be useful for people who prefer listening to articles instead of reading them on screen. And that's how you can turn articles into audio with ElevenLabs.